Have you ever wondered why so many people after 60 or 70 just can't sleep peacefully anymore? Why do they wake up again and again at night? Sometimes every hour, even when they're tired. If you or someone you love faces this, you're not alone. Millions of older adults around the world struggle to get a full, deep night's sleep. But the real reasons behind it are more surprising than you might think. The hidden changes. As we age, our bodies change, not just on the outside, but deep inside. The brain's sleep clock, called the circadian rhythm, becomes weaker. This clock controls when we feel sleepy and when we wake up. In younger years, it's strong and balanced. Before Start Health Tips, subscribe our YouTube channel. So after 60, it starts losing power. That's why older adults often feel sleepy early in the evening and wake up too early in the morning. And sometimes, the quality of sleep becomes lighter, meaning even small noises or bathroom urges can wake them up. The body speaks, but it's not just hormones. The body itself starts sending different signals. Aging often brings issues like joint pain, restless legs, or back discomfort that interrupt rest. And conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or overactive bladder can make people wake up again and again. Many seniors also take multiple medicines, and some of these can disturb sleep patterns or cause frequent urination. The simple fixes. But here's the good news. Small daily habits can make a huge difference. 1. Keep a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This trains your body's clock to stay steady. 2. Limit daytime naps. If you nap, keep it short. 20 to 30 minutes only, and never too late in the day. Checkmark 3. Watch what you drink. Avoid caffeine or tea after evening, and limit water right before bed to prevent nighttime bathroom trips. 4. Create a calm sleep environment. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and slightly cool. Turn off phones and TV at least 30 minutes before sleep. 5. Try light exercise. A short walk in the morning or afternoon sunlight can boost your melatonin naturally.